We have multiplication of two binomials. Why? Because we have two terms in the first parenthesis and two terms in the second parenthesis. How we do this? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So this is equal, we have m, we have to multiply by m squared minus n, and we have next plus 3n, so positive 3n. We have to multiply by every term in the second parenthesis, so m squared minus n. This is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by the monomial m. So m will be times m squared, m times negative n. So because we don't have here any sign, it means m is positive. Positive times negative give me negative. And we have to copy mn. Next, we have positive 3n times. Again, we have to use distributive law of multiplication, so it means we have to multiply every term in parentheses by 3n. So 3n times m squared, positive and positive, so will be positive sign, 3. And we will put variables in the alphabetic order. So first I will put m squared and next will be n. And we have positive times negative, so will be negative 3n times n. So this is equal. When we have the same variable and we have multiplication, we copy this base m and we have to add exponents. When we don't have exponents, always invisible 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 minus mn, we copy. Next we have 3m squared n. We cannot do here anything, we have different variables. And we have minus 3, and again the same base, so we copy the base. When we have multiplication only we can do this, and we have to add exponents. When we don't have exponents, it's always invisible 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Next we have to check if we have like terms. In this example we have m to third power, and we don't have m to third power, m squared, n squared, so every term is different. So we cannot do here anything. This is my solution.